do. So I'm going to tell you about Jasmine, right? A little case study. I know you guys were talking about case studies yesterday. So a little case study. So this is Jasmine. She's a business owner of a skincare line. She was actually one of my clients. That is not Jasmine on the picture. That is a nice stock image of a beautiful black woman. I didn't want to use Jasmine's face, right? But Jasmine is the owner of a skincare line, and she really was stuck between where she wanted to go in her business, the strategy. Where did she want? She wanted to become, innovate her skincare line. She was introduced to mind mapping, and ultimately her central idea was to revolutionize her organic care line, right? And so from there, she was able to come up with different branches, product development, marketing strategies, customer engagements, and distribution channels. And from there, it led to her going to tap into her African roots, incorporating her African heritage into her skincare, and creating a whole new line. Something she didn't even think about, right? And from there, her sales grew 50% just from her mapping it out, right? That allowed her to do what? Elevate. Oh, use that word, y'all. Elevate. It allowed her to elevate. And that Jasmine is just one person. I use mind mapping every single day. I use it in my personal life. I use it for my kids. I use it for, long story, but I'm getting married, but I use it for my wedding. I'm married already and having a wedding. Long story, I'll tell you about that later. But